Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Art. So today I am going to be talking about Ruined by D.E Eliot. And this is a family drama. So we have three different families and they're all connected by a car accident. And in this car accident, we have a husband who is dealing with the fact that his wife and child is hanging on for their life. And he found out some secrets that he did not know about his wife. And so as he's grieving, he also had this desperate desire to find out more about what his wife was hiding and why she was hiding this secret. Then we have a second family, and this is a mother who is grieving for her son, her young son, who was in an accident as well. And she's thinking about all these things, the coulda, shoulda, woulda, how you learn about the backstory of how he was came about, and desires and things that she wanted in her life, and how she is going to be able to cope with all of this. So we have the third family, which is of a man who is believed to be the cause of the accident. And in this story, you're hearing about his wife is telling her tales of their marriage and also their relationship with their child. So you are in the story. You are on this journey of discovering things about each family, the good, the bad, and also some of these things that you're learning why some of these secrets within these family were there in the first place. So in this story also, there's a lot of heavy topic on marriage. There's a lot of heavy topic on parenting, and not only parenting for the young kids, but also parenting for the adults, because their family is involved as well, especially the husband, where he's dealing with the in-laws of his wife as well as his own family. And so in this story, you are having all these questions of what would you do for your child, or how much would you fight for your relationship, and why stay in a relationship that may not be the most healthiest relationship. And it's tragic that an accident is what really opened up a lot of things in his family. But then you also have this idea of some secrets should stay secret, because as I'm reading this and I'm realizing why some family would keep certain secrets and not disclose it, because you want to keep your family intact. You want to make sure you protect your family. And one of the things I also love is you are hearing different point of view of not just the parents but their children, and why are they feel a certain way about their parent. And the author did a great job where you didn't get confused, because there's a lot of different opinions in this book. There's a lot of different point of views that you are reading, and on this journey to discover why things are happening and why things did happen. So the author, I didn't feel confused. I didn't get sidetracked by who's talking now or what are they doing now. I knew what family the book was talking about as I'm reading the chapters. So I love that he was able to still keep that part of the story intact, because a lot of books I've read where there's so many different characters, sometimes you get lost in, okay, who but in this case, I didn't have that problem. This also, because it's so heavily based on parenting, I think there are times where I struggle because I'm not a mother. So I can't relate to certain sacrifice and certain things that a parent would do for their child. And I think this story is something that I feel like a lot of parents are going to connect to, or find more interesting, or even have those questions in their head where they will think about for if their child was in that situation, or if they had to deal with maybe their spouse or the father of their child, or the mother of their child in that situation. So I think this is a great family drama. I think it's a great story that is that had a lot of questions that I feel like even a book club would pretty much enjoy this a lot. And I was intrigued, and I was very pleasantly surprised how well this is. This is an independent author, and I think he did a really good job of creating a story that that it's thought-provoking. You know, this is a story that will have you, even after you finish reading it, thinking about certain things that happen in this story. So definitely a must read. I do recommend it. And if you have read it, you know, let me know how you felt about it and your opinion, you know, in the comment. I mean, don't give away all the stories and secrets, but, you know, make a comment down the bottom and let me know how you felt about this story. And that's it for this week. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.